Now this funny black stuff is called coal, and this is what keeps you warm in the winter. And you light coal with a thing called a fire lighter. This is a fire lighter, and what you do is you put the fire lighter into here. I know normally this happens by magic, but you have to put the fire lighter in here, and once you put it in there, it's quite important not to cover it all over with the ash. So you can see I've cleared a little space there, and you'll notice here these are called logs. Now normally these come into the house on their own and stack them up neatly, but you can see for some reason these haven't. So what you've got to do is go and get some from outside and bring them in, preferably when it's not raining or snowing. So I'm going to choose some logs. Now if I picked up a massive one like this and put it on the fire lighter, it's going to do no good at all. So what we want is a few little ones, a few scruffy little ones here with little broken bits on them. Can you see? Little fistules. And we get these ready by the fire lighter. And then we're going to light the fire lighter. Now this is the fun bit, the bit where you burn your fingers. So here we go. Let's get the lighter going. Maybe a lesson is to get a fire lighter that really works. Right, that's it. So we're going to stack up a few of these little bits called logs. Just a few small ones, and put them on. Try not to burn our fingers. Okay, on go the smaller ones, then a couple of these larger ones. Right, that'll do nicely. And you can now, if you want to, put some coal on. Not too much, just a few pieces for now until it catches, and then we close the doors. Do you notice that this drawer is open, and it's the air that makes the fire catch? So we're going to close the doors, and look how it roars. Now you can leave it like that until it's got going really well, but stay by it, don't wander off. And we're going to use these levers here. I normally leave that one shoved right in, and this one here pulled out a little bit. Never leave it shoved right in, just bring it out just a little bit, about that much, to let some air get in. And this drawer needs to be closed, bit of a knack. Make sure it's closed at the bottom and at the top, there, like that. And you can see when I open the drawer, see how the flames change. There we go. Right, I'm going to leave that roaring for a while. Once we've got a good fire going, I shall be closing off the bottom and adjusting this lever here. Obviously from time to time you need to clear all this ash out here, otherwise it doesn't work very well. Then you use a shovel to put that in a bucket. Okay kids, have you got it? I think you're going to cope with that well. There you go, so that's your lesson in lighting the fire. So we'll just get that nice and warm, and once we've got it warm, close the bottom off, and don't forget, if you're going to open it, to put anything on. So before we open these doors here, make sure you open this one, otherwise all of the smoke from here is going to go into your face. Good luck, and don't set the house on fire.